Hey, what's up, honeycrunchers? It's me, Jham, and welcome to honeycrunch321. For today, I'll be reviewing Harunouta L071 sent to me by bornprettystore. Now let's try the stamping plate. After stamping a layer of a lighter green shade, I stamped a darker green shade with the same design. Then after that, I stamped the same designs with my middle and ringnail with different sets of colors. For my thumbnail and pinky nail, I'll stamp different layers of the butterfly design. After all of the stampings, apply a layer of your favorite top coat. The theme of this stamping plate is all about trees, flowers, birds, and butterflies. You can complete the design look by stamping layers of the images. This stamping plate is really beautiful and you can really use this for many nail art designs. The link for this product is available on the description box below. If you guys enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!